How to fix your 2025 YouTube recap not showing. Now, the first thing that we need to keep in mind is that the YouTube recap is brand new and it's coming out on a rolling basis. So, not all of your accounts will have access to this at the moment because obviously it's coming out over time. So, first of all, you need to just keep checking back on your account. But the first thing that we can try to be able to see this is to go to a browser, go to the search bar at the top, and then you want to go to youtube.com/recap. Now, once we head over to here, we can click on search right, and then it will then bring us to here where you will then see an option for 2025, looking for your 2025 recap. And it does say here that the recap is available in the YouTube app. So we can then click on open YouTube and then click on allow. And if the 2025 recap is available on your device, it will then show this automatically. Now, at the moment, it's not available on my channel here, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep checking back and see if it's available at any point in the next couple of days. Now, the next thing that we can try is head over to the App Store. And then if we go and search for YouTube, what you need to do is you need to make sure that YouTube is on the latest update. Now, if there is any updates available, you can click on update. And then once we're on the latest update, if it is then available, that should then show on your account. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix your YouTube recap 2025 not showing.